Everest VBS was so fun.
I know, I made so many friends there.
I wonder where we're going next year.
Jesus is the one who lights our way. Oh, oh, oh. He gives us hope for each new day. Oh, oh, oh. When the world feels dark and lonely, His love illuminates. He's the one I trust and I will follow Him. He is the light that breaks through the darkness. Follow His lead and light it up. Jesus will guide us through every dark time. Follow His lead and light up the world.
Cool! Okay! I can't wait till this year's summer camp! You want to come and be with us? We're having camp this year for all kids going into kindergarten all the way through grade 6. We're going to be exploring deep caves all over this building. And you know what we're going to be looking for? Jesus! We're also going to be looking a little bit for His mom. We're going to learn about him and his mom, Mary. Anyway, come and join us. It's 5 fun days from July 11th to July 15th. We're also looking for adult and teen volunteers too. Come and join us. This is going to be the greatest camp ever. See you there.